Hello everybody. Today I am doing a taste test and today I'm trying the Lloyd two-time world barbecue sauce champ pig beach mustard barbecue sauce pecan smoked and seasoned pulled pork with sauce. That's a lot to read, right? So I'm going to put this in a sandwich. And I'm also eating some potato salad, deviled egg from Walmart. You can see that I ate a lot of it already, but I'm going to have it with that pulled pork. So I'm going to warm this up, assemble my sandwich. I might have iced tea with it. I'm not quite sure yet. Let me go and warm this up and I'll be back, okay? I am back. I have my pulled pork sandwich with just a little bit of potato salad. I didn't have that much left, which means this video is not going to be that long. This is what my sandwich looks like. It's good. It's a little sweet. It has a nice taste to it. Pretty good. Let me try this potato salad. Excellent. This potato salad is from Walmart. A lot of times I have gotten their potato salad in a macaroni salad and it didn't taste too good. This one has more egg in it and it tastes really good. And the chunks are not too big. I don't like when they're too big. So that's that pulled pork again. You have to keep this in the refrigerator. It's fully cooked. You just warm it up. This pulled pork is tangy, and you can taste all the flavors. I would like for it to be less sweet, but it's good. It's really good. I don't have no complaints at all about this potato salad. You know, I know how to make potato salad, but to me, it's kind of a long process if you're making a lot of it, like for an event, something like that. Which is good. And this is my last piece here. Delicious. So this pulled pork is pretty good. Flavors are strong. It's very tangy. They could bring the tang down just a little bit, but it's pretty good. Bring the sugar down a lot, and it would be perfect. For 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 9. I didn't give it a 10 because, the things that they could improve on this. But it's a great product, and if you see it in Walmart, pick some up because it makes a quick and easy meal, especially if you have children or you just want something quick, because sometimes I want something quick, so I'll order out. But then I'll be thinking about it. I gotta wait for the food, so I might as well get products, and all I have to do is warm it up, and it would be better for me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Okay, bye.